So we're live here for a part 2. And what I thought was there was an opportunity for a secondary entry, but it hasn't quite happened yet. As we can see from part 1, we're up 188,570. We've in fact done a recap. So we're focusing on the indexes here. Gold has proven itself a little bit problematic. Somewhat fortunate not to take short on gold. But we're looking at YM, RTY, ES, and NQ. These were previous take profits. I think we'll keep those. We keep the 12 on there. But what can I say? Some may say it's greed. Some may say it's stupidity. But at the moment, the price has pulled back to an area I'd like. And because of that, if a short does set up, I'll be looking to take it. The goal here, I may come to regret it, is to pick up a further 20 or so points so that my winning day here today is actually bigger than any of my recent losing days where I've been actively managing a position. Now this market could V-shape reverse, and if that's the case, the short won't play itself out. The market has sold off a fair bit from the open, so I've got to remain cautious. And a re-entry short may not work. A re-entry short may not work. What we're seeing here on YM, it's not what we'd like to see for a reverse. Time will tell. Time will certainly tell. In a way, I'm not even sure if I'm going to hold the trades to target, to be honest. And the reason that might be is because I'm looking to just pick up the 20 points needed to have my biggest day of actively managing positions. So ES seems to be setting up. So I'm short on ES. NQ setting up. Short on NQ. RTY no. YM no. So let's just have a look through. Let's just see. $19,089.50. That can't be right. 19,089.50. That does not sound right to me. 19,000. 89.50. That's all the way down here. Hold on. Let's go have a look at our ES trade. Let's see what ES is saying. 490.50. 490.50. Oh my word, what in the world? I'm going to take that. And I'm going to take that. So these were secondary entries. And these secondary entries on this ES trade, no sorry, on this NQ trade, the target was down at 89.50. Let's see, 19,089.50. That's where the target was down there on this ES trade. No, sorry, on this NQ trade. But I've gotten out early because I was just looking to have the biggest day in some time. I definitely should have stuck to the plan here. Wow. Wow. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. And the target on this one is 490. Let's have a look. Target 490.50, which is the actual lows. 490.50. The thing is, I saw the 31 points on here pretty quickly, and when I saw the 31 points, I decided to just take profits. Even though it is not part of the plan, I decided to just take profits there. As we can see, I definitely left a lot of profits on the table here because the market's selling off. Wait for the pullback we wanted. Restart the broadcast, and as we can see, we've got out and the market, we got out at 05, so 505. Market's currently at 97. So that's like 8 points. It's like 8 points. Let's see what 8 points would have meant for us. 8 points is about 20 points. So we could have picked up a further 20 points. We would have picked up to 230. And on NQ, it would have been a hell of a lot more. My word, look at that. Look at that. We've gotten out at 174. Price is currently trading at 130. So that's 44 points. So we would have had 44, so that would have been 64. So right there, we could have picked up 64 across NQ and ES in a matter of seconds, really. But we've exited the position. We exited the position because we've had our biggest day in some time. So let's just have a look here. Yeah, so we picked up about 20 points, which is kind of what we're looking for, but it was 64 points, 64 plus points on the table. If we'd have been more patient and allowed the trade to work itself out, not trying to trade our P&L. Definitely not trying to trade our P&L. If we would have not traded our P&L, of course, it would have worked out a lot better for us. But it's just one of those things. I was so concerned with having a bigger day than my bigger losing day about a week and just over, is it over a week? Maybe within about the past 15 days and all that. I lost 205. I was very disappointed with that. And just getting above that, I was just thinking, I was up so quick. That's the reason I got out of the position on both NQ and ES. So as you can see, picked up 17.5 there. And we picked up, oh my, only 5.6. 2.5 here. Well, so we'll see what comes of this tomorrow, but I'm definitely done for the day, especially after snatching at profits just there, not allowing the trade to work itself out. Could have had over, what would that have been? 64 plus 188. Could have had over 250 right there. Could have had over 250. Walking away with 210. Like I said, target we're looking at 490.50. Who knows? Maybe we'll get there. And on NQ, the target we're looking for is 19,089.50. These were off secondary entries on these moves up. Secondary entries looking for the moves down. Current daily range 593 on NQ. Could still extend beyond that on ES. We're looking at 107.75. Goodness me. So that would have been 100 points or so, wouldn't it? Nearly 100 points. Oh, it would have been over 100 points. Entry around 92, down to 89. Would have been over 100 points. Could have had a very good day off the re-entry short. Goodness me. Think, let's see. I don't think YM set up. Oh, what's this? Did YM set up? I need to have a look at YM. I don't believe it's set up, actually. Oh, actually, YM actually sets up on this candle here. This big losing candle. It actually sets up. It actually sets up, but I'm not going to take it. Just not going to take it. Why am I actually on the right chart? Thought the chart looks a bit strange. So this is the YM we would set up on this candle. Suppose we could trade it back down to the 500s, but not going to do that. Not going to do that. Gold has gone to sleep. GC has gone to sleep. Not going to do that. RTY. There's nothing there. That's pretty much gone to sleep like gold. I think I'll call it there. Maybe wait for the close of these candles, see how they are. Seeing that buying there. At this point, if I was in still short, would I have adjusted my stop to break even? Not sure. Who knows? Maybe that exit in hindsight will look perfect. Only time will tell. Okay. What I think I'll do for this part 2 is just wrap it up here. So we managed to dig ourselves out of the hole that we were in prior. We're back up to where we were at the highs on our net liquidity / cash value. We're back up at the 757 mark. Still a long way to go. Just happy to be green. And we'll just wrap up the video there. So what I'd like to say is thanks for watching. Good luck trading and have a great day.